In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two columns in Elementor. Whether you're designing a new page from scratch or enhancing an existing one, working with columns can significantly improve both the appearance and functionality of your layout. So, let's dive in and see just how easy it is to achieve a great look by working with columns. First things first, you'll want to open your page in the Elementor editor. This is the workspace where you'll make all the changes and enhancements to your page, providing you with a visual and interactive design experience. Once you are in the editor, direct your attention to the gray plus icon. Clicking this button will initiate the process of adding a new section to your page, essentially acting as the foundation for your new columns. After you click the plus icon, you'll be presented with a variety of structure options. Here, you should look for the layout that features two equal boxes side by side. This is the two-column structure you'll want to select for this task. Once selected, you'll immediately see two columns appear in your workspace. Now you have your structural layout set up with two columns ready to go. It's time to make them look and feel the way you want by populating them with content. This is where the real visual magic happens. You can begin dragging widgets into each of these columns to customize your design as you see fit. For instance, you might want to start by adding a text widget to one of the columns. This can be especially useful if you need to convey information, introduce a topic, or provide context to what follows. Simply drag and drop the text widget into the column and start typing away. If you're looking to make your page more visually appealing, or if you want to add graphics for illustrative purposes, consider dragging in an image widget. This can be placed in either or both of the columns. Just like with the text widget, it's as simple as dragging and dropping. You can upload an image directly from your library, enhance it with captions or alt text, and adjust its settings to suit your layout needs. Additionally, if your design would benefit from some interactive elements, try dragging in a button widget. This could be a call to action button or a link to another section of your site, and it provides an engaging element for your viewers or site visitors. Each widget within Elementor is customizable, so don't hesitate to explore the settings to ensure everything looks just right. So there you have it, a straightforward way to add two columns to your Elementor page, along with a few ideas on how to populate them. This process not only elevates your site's design, but also offers greater flexibility and functionality, making your content more accessible and visually balanced for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more design tips and tricks.